over there.
The poo?
No. The two Paloma.
The two
Over there, yeah.
What Paloma?
Your friend. I'm not going to open the...
What's Paloma?
It's cold, guys. You can just watch from here.
What's Paloma means?
Paloma, it's dove.
Dove?
Yeah. Oh, the two lovey-dovey.
The two
Yeah,
lovey-dovey.
they're here again.
Two lovey-dovey?
Hi, two lovey-dovey.
Oh, it's Easy and Flower here.
Yeah, Easy and Flower. And the one that is missing is... Are you going to have your eggs in there? Uh-oh, you have a lot of birds poop in there.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh, I know.
We have a lot of
They
birds poop outside.
They already get married?
They're married. They're a couple. They're lovey-dovey.
Where's Eggy?
Eggy, I don't know.
Is it
Maybe
in
Iggy went to other
Victoria's house?
balcony. Oh, the lovey-dovey is right over there under the... Right there.
No, balcony.
I think you're going to make that as your nest. OMG. It's there.
They want to make a nest a lot of days and then they'll get an egg and poop it out.
Oh, we're disturbing them, baby. Oh, look, they're back in there. Okay.
Are they just looking around now?
They're just looking around. They are makes our balcony their home. Look at them.
Oh yeah. Because
It's going back.
because before
It's going back in there, I think.
because before we
Where is
made
it?
a nest. Oh.
Oh, where is it? Oh no.
Maybe he's looking for food now. Oh, the other friends.
The other friends, they're flying around. We have a lovey-dovey here. Oh. Hey, that is Flower, right? That's Flower.
Oh,
Flower.
He's looking at us.
Oh, bye. It went away.
He almost broke his.
It went away.
She almost broke his hand
Mm.
with her wings. She like, ouch.
Just gonna put it here.
She almost died.
Mega love shout out to our remaining 3 live viewers. Oh, we have 10. Mega love shout out to all of you guys. Welcome to Ottawa.
Why there's 10 live viewers here?
Our temperature for today is -8 and it feels like -14.
Subscribe if you play Minecraft.
Subscribe if you play Minecraft. Are you playing Minecraft? My baby loves playing Minecraft thing. Okay, in 1 minute, I'm going to end this live. Thank you so much to our 8 live viewers. Excuse us, my baby is coughing a bit. And to our 1 liker, thank you for giving us likes. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you for dropping by into our live. See you again later or maybe tomorrow. Hopefully we can see the sunset again later with a beautiful view. And I think this morning we can have some walk outside, maybe later, to have some fresh air. Okay guys, magpapaalam na po ako to all my viewers, my Filipino live viewers out there. Magandang gabi kasi gabi na sa Pilipinas. It's night time in the Philippines. Thank you so much for supporting our channel. And to all our subscribers, thank you so much guys for supporting us. Mega love shout out to all of you. And now I'm going to say bye-bye. Thank you everyone. So this is Ottawa. Thank you. Hopefully all the snowbanks and snow out there